Let's check out this 10-inch deep server rack shelf that I picked up recently from my Synology NAS. This shelf is vented and can be installed in different orientations depending on if you want the lip facing up or down. It comes with two end brackets that you attach with the provided hardware. The way you screw these in will dictate the orientation you are planning to install the shelf in. I'm configuring this with the lip facing up so that my gear can't be accidentally knocked off the shelf. Alright, that was pretty easy. It's just 4 screws to put the brackets on. It's a nice little shelf. It feels sturdy, and I like that they put vent slots in it. The shelf comes with silver-colored cage nuts and screws for mounting it on a rack. The included hardware looks fine, but I'm going to use the all-black hardware that came with my rack so everything looks uniform. The shelf is easy to install, just 4 cage nuts and screws and it's on there. It looks good, it feels solid, and I think it's a great buy. Here's a look at my final installation of it with the rack mounted on the wall. It comfortably fits my Synology NAS that you can see on the bottom left. Since I bought this 10-inch shelf specifically for my NAS, I'm really happy with how it fits. Alright, well that's it. Catch you in the next one.